Welcome back to Pocket Woman, Lockpicking and Lock Sport Part 2 of the mystery Lockwood lock. What is it? How do we get it apart? Let's explore it. So we got to this far where we pulled all the parts out. This is my second attempt to do this video. Part 2 of this I did straight after because I discovered how to do it straight after the previous video. But somehow that video got deleted on my phone, and so I'm having to do it again. So this is what I've discovered. Just pull all the bits out, get here, and yes, it is a wafer. There is a retaining clip. That silver bit is the retaining clip. Right there, like any wafer lock. So that's how we get that out of there. You don't bash the crap out of it. Just depress that retaining wafer. Push the lock forward a bit to release it. Be careful not to get it out everywhere. It's a wafer lock. Keep pushing it, keep pushing it. There we go. That's our housing. And there's our little wafers. Okay. Bit crusty. And that's the retaining one. That's what we could see at the back. So depress that. That's got a hard spring on it. And then that releases it. Wow. So these are really tiny wafers, and as they're doubles, so it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 wafers. Interesting little core. Looking at this key is very interesting. This is a Wilson Manufacturing. It says Sydney. With the old 1960s Lockwood logo on it. Isn't that beautiful? It's a beautiful key. Absolutely beautiful key. Don't know that's the C4 profile. Don't know what profile the wafer lock would be. It looks like a C4, but I couldn't tell just by looking at it. It's got that straight edge at the bottom. So yeah, very interesting. So there's the update. Yes, we can get it apart. Yes, we know what it is now. It is a wafer lock. Some sort of electrical, with these electrical terminals. That going on it. And that came off. I won't take it off again. There he goes. Yep, that clicked off. Electrical terminals. So yeah, very interesting. So if anyone knows what sort of lock this is, I think it might be like even an ignition lock for something like an industrial vehicle, like maybe a forklift or something little, because that's not a car key. And I don't know what sort of locks they had back then because I was too young to know into locks. So yeah, so if you know, leave a comment. Greatly appreciate any knowledge about any of the locks I have. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the first half I did exploring the lock, pulling it apart, discovering things as I went along. Take care, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.